Hey everyone, we are still on practice sheet 30 and we are going to do problem number 3 that we skipped. And again, this comes from STAR, so see if you can try to do it yourself once I read it. A bag contains colored tiles. 3 tiles are red, 6 tiles are green, 3 tiles are blue. A tile will be randomly selected from the bag. What is the probability in decimal form that the selected tile will be green? So what is the probability, and I want to write it as a decimal, that it will be green? So I'm looking for probability of green. So generally when I'm doing my probability, I'm going to start with a fraction. So we want our total on bottom, right? So 3 plus 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And then how many are green? Well, that's 6. So hopefully you know, you don't have to do it this way, but I know 6 out of 12 is the same as 1/2, right? Divide by 6, divide by 6. If not, we would just divide that. So you could divide 6 divided by 12, but I prefer 1 divided by 2. Now, if you already know what this is as a decimal, be my guest, but I will give everybody a hint that it's going to start with 0 decimal. Okay, so I want you to divide that, and then you will grid it. So number 5 says a pencil holder shaped like a triangular prism is shown in the picture. The height of the pencil holder is 12 centimeters. And the volume is 216 centimeters. What is the area of the base? Okay, so again, hopefully you have your formula chart and you check it for volume of a prism. And hopefully you're seeing V equals big BH. Okay. This is prism, so there's no guessing. Remember, B means area. So I need to solve for that. Area of base. Okay? We know the volume is 216. And we don't know big B, but we do know the height is 12. Okay? So guys, I'm just doing this just like an equation. So how would I solve for this? Well, I need to get big B by itself, so I divide both sides by 12. That is your task. You need to divide this and grid that answer, okay? This is a straightforward one, no 1/3 to interfere, okay? As if it was a pyramid. Okay. So now we're going to get into what we are learning about this week. This says, Narissa has 5 pink bows, 1 blue bow, and 4 purple bows in a box. She will randomly choose 1 bow from the box. What is the probability she will choose a purple bow? So just like on the front side, when we're doing probability of purple, I want to make sure I have that total first. So guys, put the total, put that on bottom. How many are purple? Well, 4 are purple. I'm going to let you figure out the bottom. And then your job is to simplify. I need you to make sure you simplify because that's how you will find the right answer. Okay, now the last one. This is one we have not covered, so I'm definitely going to make sure that I'm walking you through this one. This one says, Philip created the net worth statement shown. Okay, so I think one day we talked about assets and liabilities. So assets, these are good things, things that we own. So he owns his house, he has money in his checking account, he has a car or some type of vehicle, and he has investments. Okay, so this is the value of his assets. Okay, these are good. But he also has liabilities. So even though his house is valued at this amount, he still owes this much. Okay, So our liabilities, those are things that we take away. So he also has credit card debt of $9,500. So here's what I want you to notice first. The liabilities are $113,000. The liabilities, I don't know if I said liabilities, the assets, I may have said that wrong. The assets are $113,000, okay? The liabilities are $71,500. So we have more assets than we do liabilities. So that means, guys, our net worth is going to be positive. I have more good than bad. So I'm going to get rid of the two negative answers because I know this is going to be positive. My happy face, I have more of those than the bad. Your job is to subtract that, and you're going to get one of these two answers. You can probably figure it out without even subtracting, but I'm going to have you go on and show that anyway, okay? But just so you know, your net worth is your assets, take away your liabilities, okay?